We introduce 5 representative membrane builder models, each serving a distinct purpose. Double bilayers model fusion pathways, focusing on the rate and barrier from stalk to pore formation. Vesicles are used in LNP delivery, supporting encapsulation, stability, and release. Micelles represent detergent assemblies, characterized by critical micelle concentration and aggregation number. Hexagonal phase structures capture curvature stress and non-lamellar stability. Nanodiscs provide a native lipid patch, maintained by scaffold proteins for order and affinity. In this demo, we will introduce hexagonal phase in detail. Membrane Builder is a module for defining membrane systems for molecular dynamics with or without solutes. In the left sidebar, go to MolCube Builder and select Membrane Builder. In this demo, we do not load a protein. Step 1. Type your project title, DLMC3H Hexagonal Phase. Under Membrane Type, select Hexagonal Phase, enable Membrane Only and choose CHARM-FF. After completing the process, click Submit. Step 3 defines the geometry and composition. Leave the radius and height at their default values. In the lipid type, select TAP and DAP-DMA lipids, and from the lipid list, choose DLMC3H. Click Add to insert it, and in the ratio setting, switch to lipid number, then set it to 100. After reviewing the options, click Submit. Step 4 is the stage where you check the lipid packing through visualization. After reviewing it, click Submit. Step 5 configures minimal environment parameters. Choose neutralization or a specific salt concentration, set your temperature, optionally enable HMR, and select your MD engine such as OpenMM, GrowMax. After completing the process, click Submit. Step 6 provides the final review. Inspect the 3D visualization and system info, paying attention to periodic tiling, and download the files or the project bundle for local runs or MolCube simulator. That completes the workflow to build a DLMC3H hexagonal phase, membrane only, using Membrane Builder. Enjoy your simulations.